Hello, in this video we are going to go over how to calculate binomial distributions in StatCrunch. For this we need to go to Stat, Calculators, and then Binomial, which will open up to this graph of the binomial distribution along with a section for us to put in the sample size and the probability of success. And then we can perform our actual calculations here on the bottom. So for example, if we have a sample size of, let's use 20, and a probability of success of 0.3. If I want to find the probability that we have at least, if we have at most, let's say, 3 successes, the computation of that, based upon my example, would be 0.107. Likewise, if I want at least 3, I can find that calculation to be 0.965. We could also do it for greater than, less than, or even equal to, which will just do it for only one of the particular portions of this. Which if I just did equals to 3 for a regular binomial calculation from the formula, we would get a value of 0.0716. Likewise, we could also do between two numbers if we wanted to. So here, let me use, if I want to find the probability that we have between 4 and, let's say, 8. The computation of that will just give us that particular portion between 4 and 8, including 4 and 8, to be 0.7796. Thank you.